Hello, welcome back. Okay, this pattern, this video is going to be a whip with an outside underarm spin for the lady. Yes, whip with an outside underarm spin. So there is going to be that walk between the triples, okay? It's an 8 count. So we're going to start off with a 2-hand hold. I'm going to give you 3 different angles on this. And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Cool? Again, you're going to end up upside down on this one, so you've got a pattern to get out of it. You know what to do. Go back to your earlier quick views or to your private lesson style videos. All right, let's take it from this angle. Here we go. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Nice. All right, let's go back over to this little side here. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, walk, triple step, rock step. Ha ha! Yes, very good. Now remember, this is an 8 count. It's an outside underarm spin for the ladies. So if you want to work on your spinning, ladies, there's a drill for that to improve your skills, okay? So have fun, rewind, and just kind of practice, okay? So it's up to you now to go practice and have a lot of fun. Enjoy.